Hello little scientist, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we are going to learn high order division of two numbers with an easy grouping method. And we are going to have a lot of fun while learning it with an interesting Intelli activity. To perform the activity, we are going to need the following materials from our Intelli Smart Box. Take out the numbers card from the multiplication and division kit of your Intelli Smart Box. There are three types of number cards. The blue square shaped number cards are referred to as the hundreds cards. They have 100 single units in each one of them. The green rectangular number cards are referred to as the tens cards. They have 10 single units in each one of them. And the small yellow square shaped number cards are referred to as the ones cards, and each one of them is equal to a single unit. We are going to use these cards to represent different numbers and perform division operation on the numbers. Let us try to solve an easy division problem using the number cards. We will divide the number 17 by the number 4 and find the result for 17 divided by 4. The number 17 will be called as the dividend and 4 will be called as the divisor. We need to know the expanded notation of the number 17 to represent it using the number cards. The expanded notation of 17 is 1 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 1, which gives us 10 plus 7. Here the digit 1 is at tens place and the digit 7 is at ones place. We can represent the number 17 using one green tens card and 7 yellow ones cards. Now count the total number of single units here. We have 10 single units in the tens card and 7 single units of the ones cards, which make a total of 17 single units, and that is our dividend. Now we will make 4 groups equal to the divisor, which is the number 4, using the ones cards. We will make 4 equal groups using the ones card till we reach the number 17, which is our dividend. You can see we could only adjust 16 ones cards in the 4 groups. We have one ones card remaining. The number of single units in each group is equal to the quotient, and the units remaining out is the remainder to our division problem. We made 4 groups of 4 and 1 unit is remaining out. This means when we divide 17 by 4, we get 4 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. Isn't it a wonderful way to visualize the process of division? Now let us try to divide a bigger number. We will now divide 110 by number 5. Now you already know that 110 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. We need to find the quotient and the remainder. How do we represent the number 110 using the number cards? It's very easy. The expanded notation of 110 is 1 multiplied by 100 plus 1 multiplied by 10 plus 0 multiplied by 1, which makes the expanded form as 100 plus 10. We can represent the number 110 using one hundreds card and one tens card. We must now divide these cards representing 110 into 5 equal groups, as our divisor is the number 5. Here we can replace the hundreds card with 10 tens cards to distribute them into groups. 1 hundreds card will be equal to 10 tens card. And now we have a total number of 10 plus 1, which makes 11 tens cards, representing the number 110. To divide the number cards into 5 equal groups, we need to replace one of the tens card with 10 ones cards. And then we can make pairs of tens cards and ones cards. And now we have 5 equal groups. To find the quotient, we need to count the total number of single units in each group. We have 10 plus 10 plus 2, which makes a total of 22 units in each group. The quotient to our division problem, 110 divided by 5, is 22, and there is no remainder. Yes, the remainder of 110 divided by 5 is equal to 0, as there are no single units remaining out of the groups. After performing this activity, we are sure that you will have learned the following concepts: expanded representation of a number using the number cards, and division of two given numbers using the grouping method, solving and visualizing a division problem. Now you can choose more numbers to divide using the grouping method and do it yourself. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.